They are.
Your grandfather's backyard. They cook up like that. So we put that in with some mushrooms and some tomatoes, and we cook them together, and they're absorbing all the flavors, creating just a wonderful stock.
We started with the mushrooms, and then we put in the squash, and then the tomatoes very last, because we really just wanted to heat those up.
And when you get some mushrooms at the market, you want to make sure, take a look at this, they have to be white. Very important, and make sure the membrane is being nice and covered. When you bring them home, buy them in a brown paper bag. When you bring them home, store them in the refrigerator. If you buy them in a cello pack, take that cellophane off it, then store it in the refrigerator. Never wash them before you store them. I think we're ready, Steph.
I think we are too. We just have to let, you reduce it to a simmer to really just let all those flavors come together for about 1 minute before we served it.
And now we're going to spice it up. I'm going to add a little bit of red pepper flakes to it.
And I'm going to add a generous amount of oregano, just to give it that nice earthy flavor.
And some coarse salt. That's it. Look how beautiful that is.
Yeah, so simple and healthy, too.
Lots of color.
Great vegetarian option.
Yes.
Is there a dish that you'd like Tony and Stephanie to make? Tell us about it on Facebook. Go to facebook.com/CBS New York.